What up, Logo?
Logo, you know the vibes, man.
Logo in the building.
Logo Loke from the 773.
Yeah, you always be showing me that love.
That's what you guys like to see? That's what you guys want to see? Uh-oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Baby Shaq with the three. No good. Monster with the rebound. Let's go, Nitty. Push it. What we got? We got Nitty versus Speedy. Nitty versus Speedy. He too little. Got him up. We out.
Oh, man. What the fuck?
Hey! Okay. Good dime, we out.
Hit that, bro. Hey!
Oh, get up, Juice.
That's the real Juice.
Okay, Juice, talk to him then. Juice just came off scoring 60. Uh-oh. Let's go. What you guys want to see? What matchups you guys want to see? The OG. Yes, sir. Yo, yeah, we got that money. You already know. You already know. Oh, yeah. This is what I want to see right here. This is what the people want to see. We live on Ballers Life. What we got? What we doing? Has he got? Has he got? Stroke game? Let's go, Greg. Uh-oh. Juice with it. We out. Oh, has he? That's right, Nene. Oh! Who said he can't shoot? Yeah, Speedy. Cook up, Speedy. Oh, got him. Looked at him. Cashed him out. Can I get the guns? Can I get the guns? Hey.
Always keep that thing on. Lock him up, Juice. Lock him up, Juice.
Lock him up, Juice. We live, baby. We live. You guys know what's going down tomorrow. 1v1, King of the Court, Hezzy God, Tim Carter, Greg. You guys can see it live only on caffeine.tv/ballerslife. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Easy buckets. Easy buckets. Let's go, Ziggy. You guys are down. You need a bucket. He says Ziggy don't got it. He says Ziggy don't got it.
Put me in, coach. Put me in, coach. Come on, Kenny, put me in.
Oh. Okay. Smooth little bucket. Right back at him, C's. Hold that back, Zigzag. Caesar said hold that back. That's too easy. Three ball.
Felt good too, though. Hey, double him, Ziggy, double him.
Give it back to Caesar. Give it back to Caesar. I'm curious to see if Zigzag can stop him on D. I'm curious to see if he can even stop him on D. ISO, I want to see that. This that 1v1 I want to see. Oh, yeah. Hold that, Zigzag. Oh, my goodness. Go, Ziggy. Oh, my goodness. That would have been nasty. That one would have been nasty. They didn't want to get clipped. Get back, get it back, get it back. Get it back. Okay, Juice.
Come on, Juice. You got to talk about
Hey, Kwame Brown's a coach. He was in the league for 15 years. What the? He in the league for 15 years, though.
You said him, then Luke Warden to go there.
Best small league.
Oh, wow.
Call them backwards, Shaq. Call them backwards. Call them backwards.
Get it, boys.
Come on, Shaq Diesel.
Oh. Woo. Okay, boys. Too easy.
Uh-oh.
Too easy.
Ziggy going at him. Ziggy going at him. He ain't backing down. Oh, come here.
What do you mean you can't?
What you gonna do, Greg? What you gonna do, Greg? Oh.
Trail mix. I got cranberries.
Oh. Oh my goodness, C's.
I tell you, come on, Kenny.
Stop playing with him. Stop playing with him, C's. You gotta answer something back, Ziggy. That was good D.
Let's go, boy. Finish him. Finish him.
Finish him. Can you do it twice in a row? Can you do it twice in a row, C's? Talk to him, C's. Uh-oh. The monster on you now. The monster on you now. The monster on you now. That was good D.
No. Travel. Is that not heavy?
Hey, tell them, man, where can they see that 1v1 tomorrow? On caffeine.tv/ballislife, man. We got the 1v1 going down. You got Hezzy God, you got Greg, and you got Tim Carter. We got the Clamp God, all right? It's going down tomorrow. Make sure you guys tune in. We got my boy Tim Carter in the building over here. Let's go talk to him. Let's go talk to him. Yeah. Clamp God in the building. Huh? Talk to him, man. What's happening, bro? What's going down?
One-on-one tomorrow. We're about to put on the show for real.
About to put on a big show.
Big show, big show.
Look at these dudes going at it. Look at these two big men going at it. Bro, they really pushing and fighting each other. Shaq and Monstar needs to get in this 1v1. But look, we got my man, Clamp God, East Coast, Baller's Life family. You going up against Hezzy God and Greg Mr. 4-5, bro. Tomorrow, hey, the stats, the numbers, the people are evenly split right now. It's like 30% each person is saying it could go either way.
I'm ready.
What are you going to do to separate yourself from everybody else to secure this bag?
I'm ready. I'm about to go home, get some sleep.
Get some sleep, yep.
Wake up, probably go get some shots up. You feel me?
Yep. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Oh, take those. Take those. White Iverson, I need your vote. Who's got the dub for tomorrow's 1v1? Who's got the dub? You got Clamp God, Hezzy God, and Greg Mr. 4-5. Who's walking out with the dub?
Man, that's gonna be a tough one. I don't know. You gotta see. You gotta tune in.
You gotta tune in. You gotta tune in. Huh?
That nigga doubling. Tell that nigga stop doubling. He fucking up the content. That nigga doubling the half court.
Juice said he should have been in the 1v1 too. Okay. Juice, how come they ain't got you in the 1v1, Juice? Tell them you won in the next one.
They scared.
Tell them you won in the next one.
They don't want no smoke.
Tell them you got whoever wins.
Whoever wins.
Whoever wins. Let me see something then. Let me see something then. Let me see something then. No way. Oh. I'm telling you right now, Juice want to win. Hey, it's getting heated now. Everybody wants to win. Look at them. Thirsty. Thirsty. They thirsting over here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Let's go, big man.
It's getting rowdy.
Ziggy, let's go. Do some. Do some.
Oh. Oh.
Hey, you would have got that if you would have got
Come on. Come on. Come on. I see you, OG. Bucket gang in the building. All right, we got Hezzy guy. Oh, with the block. With the block. Yeah, Juice. Oh, no. Shaq said, not in my house. Shaq said, not in my house.
Hey, y'all niggas trying to win like a motherfucker. Hey, Juice, why you trying so hard, Kelly?
Hey, I'm not gonna lie to you. My arm is getting tired holding this. I got my boy Bionic Brooks in the building, man.
What's going on with it?
Mr. Heart and Hustle right here. Yes, sir. Hey, you know the 1v1 is going down tomorrow on Caffeine TV.
Yeah.
All right, /Ball is Life. Now, we got the 1v1 King of the Court, Hezzy God versus Clamp God versus Greg, Mr. 4 and 5. We've played with all three of these guys, and we've played against all three of these guys. I need your prediction right now. All right, putting you on the spot. I'm putting you on the spot. Now let me know your predictions.
I'm gonna go with Hezzy guy, man. He got a lot of offense. I'm gonna go with Hezzy guy. He gonna post a problem for a lot of those guys offensively. If he get hot, it's a problem. But sleeper is Greg. I think a lot of people are sleeping on Greg right now. Oh yeah. But,
all right, so we got your vote going for Hezzy God right now.
I mean, I can't go against Hezzy right now. You put me on the spot.
I'm not mad at you. I'm not mad at you for that. Hezzy has definitely played more 1v1s than anybody else in that game. So, you know what? You know, I might have to go with Hezzy. Smart money, if I'm a betting man, if I'm a gambling man, I'm going to put my money on Hezzy as well. All right? Game time! Game time! Shaq, who you want 1v1? Go talk to him.
He's ass, nigga.
Let's go, Shaq. Let's go, Shaq. Let's go, Shaq.
Uh-oh.
Like this. Yo, again.
Hey, it's getting wild. I'm telling you guys right now. These two do not like each other. Oh, no. Go, Marcus. That's game. All right, man, we're signing off, man. Make sure you guys tune in at Ball. Hey, tune in tomorrow. Caffeine.tv/Ball is Life.
It's going down.
The 1v1 is going down. You guys won't want to miss it, man.
We'll see you
on the next.
The niggas in the ADBA cannot fade me. Hand down, man down is how I'm shooting them, baby. Yo, I'm trying to star in the championship. Most of you niggas is happy being the 8th man riding the bench. The only time you gon' see you a ship is when you stand at the rail of that bridge and fucking look down at that bitch. It's sad you call yourself comp, but you not. Lame ass niggas can't